Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. So in today's video I'll share with you another new potential airdrop which is named Watt2Trade. They already have 28k active followers on X, and if you check their pin post, they mention Watt2Trade is the world's first DEX for trading electricity prices, and they plan to reward 4 million to those who participate in their airdrop campaign. So I'll explain to you in an easier way what they are building. In simple words, Watt2Trade is a blockchain based platform that enables people to buy and sell electricity in real time using smart contracts for efficient, transparent and sustainable power trading. If you want more information, then you can visit their website. I'll show you how you can participate in their rewards program. But before that, just a request, if you haven't subscribed to our YouTube channel, then please subscribe and turn the notification on for the latest videos. And most importantly, you need to join our Telegram channel where I share all crypto news and updates. All links are in the description, so check them out. To join the airdrop, I'll provide a Telegram post link in the video description where you will find this page link. After landing here, first you need to connect your wallet. For that, click here on Connect Wallet. Then agree to their terms. Then click on the Other Wallets option. Then select MetaMask. Then Connect. After that, confirm the request. And then my referral code will automatically be activated. So you simply need to click on confirm. And then done. So this is the dashboard. First, here at the bottom you see the social connect option. First you need to connect your X account. For that, click here on bind X account. Then authorize the app. And done. Next, click here to bind your Telegram account as well. I'd skip this right now, but you must connect this as well. After that, here on the left side you see the social quest section. So here you need to complete a few tasks. For example, you need to follow their X profile. For that, click here. Then it will redirect you to X. So follow their profile. Then come back and wait for the task to be completed. And done. Similarly, you need to join their Telegram. Then you need to follow them on Instagram, and you also need to join their Discord. Then here you must complete all these tasks as well. Then here in the community quest section, you can skip this right now. And I only advise you to do free task only. Don't invest any money here. Also here you will find your referral link which you can share with your friends to boost your points. Then here is the trading quest section where you can earn points based on trading, but I'd recommend sticking with free task only. So in the dashboard here you will see your total WXP points, and right now their phase 1 is live, so you can still join early here. And here in the leaderboard section you can see the top rankers and your ranking. So that's all for this video. I'll share all the upcoming updates. So for that, keep an eye on our Telegram channel. Please like and share this video. And if you are coming to this channel for the first time, then don't forget to subscribe. Thanks for watching. Goodbye.